Hello and welcome back to another video. In this poem, we're told that Juan is a book editor who is given a book to edit. The number of pages that he has left to edit at the end of each hour are estimated by the equation P is equal to 326 minus 12h, where h represents the number of hours editing the book. And we're asked what is the meaning of the value 326 in this equation. So what we have to notice here is that if h is equal to 0, then p is equal to 326. Right, so 326 minus 12, we're plugging in 0 for h. P is equal to 326 minus 12 times 0 is 0. So this is just 326. So what does it mean for p to be equal to 326 when h is equal to 0? Well, p is the number of pages left to edit, and h is the number of hours spent editing the book. So when he's spent 0 hours editing the book, so at the beginning, he has 326 pages. Which one of the answers does this correlate with? We're told in C, Juan is given a total of 326 pages to edit. This lines up. He will be editing after this, but right now we're in hour 0, so he has not edited any of the pages, and he's given a total of 326. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.